Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. We're going to have a first look at the Biolight Firepit. I picked this up because I was getting sick and tired of going out to the woods and cutting down trees and trying to get a fire going, and sometimes all you do is just get smoke and it's not really burning. So I figured this fire pit would be a pretty good way to have a fire in the woods because it's basically always being stoked, because there's a little battery powered fan on it that has 4 settings from low to high. And for my whole first burn, I had it on the second setting the whole night, and it provided a lot of heat and really made the wood last a lot longer. Instead of just having like an open fire pit and just keep feeding it with wood and wood and wood, I was able to stay warm for the night. And this trip out, we actually used this fire pit for almost 7 hours on the second fan speed and probably used about 23% of battery life. But I'll get more into this in the future, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.